Dark skin or skin discoloration can hamper your beauty. And it's quite embarrassing too for both sexes. Hormonal fluctuation or changes, excessive waxing, smoking, severe threading, and hyperpigmentation builds up dead skin cells around your mouth that causes dark skin around your lips and chin. Papaya Boost. Papaya is filled with a skin-cleansing enzyme called papain and vitamin A and C that can help you in getting rid of dark chin and skin around your lips. Grate a raw papaya, then add multani mitti and some drops of rose water into it to make a paste. Now you can wear this paste on the affected skin area. With regular application, the nutrients contained in papaya will lighten these problematic areas, while multani mitti will turn it fair and beautiful. Raw milk. Milk acts as an excellent bleach and moisturizer as well. Cleaning skin with milk will bring out all the impurities from the depth of your skin. Firstly, wash off your face with water and then cleanse it using a cotton swab dipped in raw milk. Massage the dark chin in a circular motion to remove all dirt from your chin. Compulsive nourishing. Natural oils like olive oil, coconut oil, almond oil contain vitamin E that provide moisture to dry and rough skin, turning it supple and soft. Olive oil contains antioxidants which are best known for repairing dark and damaged skin. Apply one of the natural oils to the dark chin before hitting the bed to make it healthy.